If he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away. This is a sweet life.
That awkward.
Guys, oh sorry, hi guys. So I'm just doing Chelsea's intro because she's too embarrassed to do it because we're in public, but we're not.
We're on a main road.
And what do you want me to say?
Well, just welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we're probably just gonna be shopping and you know, that kind of thing.
Which is from where?
Dottie.
And a nice scrunchie.
And this is also from Dottie.
We'll do a walk-in talk. Then
This is from Kmart.
that's from Kmart.
This is from Bali.
Alright, this is my mum's jumpsuit.
We love sharing clothes.
And these are just my white chucks.
Story time.
Story time, we haven't even finished my outfit of the day.
So I was filming Mahalia. I don't know if you heard me scream or not, but I did a little scream and then it was undercover police cars and then they were saying, "Are you alright?" And I was like, "Yeah." But it was really scary. Whenever we're in Auckland, we love to sing Taylor Swift's Welcome to New York.
No, we don't.
Basically, the Auckland in New Zealand is like the New York.
Aotearoa Christmas under a pahukawa tree.
Hey guys, so we finished walking down the viaduct. That was really pretty. I love the area of Auckland, probably my favourite area. Yeah, so now we're probably gonna go to Sylvia Park. It's probably like the biggest shopping centre in Auckland, so we might do some Christmas shopping. I'm not sure, but I'll probably end up shopping for myself mostly because I've already got most of the presents, so yeah.
Wow, those are cute signs. Oh, I didn't know the store.
Hi. Sushi time.
Should I sing it again?
Pineapple delicious. Oh, I don't like. So guys, I might buy this jumper from H&M. And Mahalia might buy that too. Not sure though. So guys, we finished our shopping. It was really fun, and then I have really wanted to try the Christmas gingerbread frappuccino for ages, so
Can I try it now?
quite nice.
I think